Hi, this video I'm shooting to to demonstrate one of my formative assessments which is an assignment for my class in ITL 608 National University during the month of April 2020. My name is Shubha. I'm also known as Saraneen Subashri. Anyway, this is part of a formative assessment to assess my students on the vocabulary skills or skills that they would use in writing for transitional words, both writing and reading. So, what are some of the transitional words that we would use for compare and contrast to show them what is similar and what is different? So, I created this on Bookwidgets, which is currently free due to for teachers because we are in COVID-19 shutdown. So I would use the transitional words. I use the Randomizer app function in uh, Bookwidgets. So I have the three cards here. I mean, they don't always make sense, but the idea here is to make sure that the students know that, for example, likewise is a word that we would use. It's a transitional word we would use to find the similarity between those two. Like, for example, the card in place one, the words in the card place one, two words in the card place two. So I would pull my students in small groups, and then I would, during intervention, and I would assess them um, so that I know that they are using these in the transitional words. So if I see that those students are struggling, then I would reteach them. I would even take this idea into a physical card, which with some images in there, and then I would add that to have them match the ideas and then say this is the same, so they would put that in the same column, and then they would look at the ideas in the images and say that these are different, and then they would put that in the contrast column. So every time I spin, a random card appears, and of course for my focus students I may have to read these cards. So I would read them. Cinderella was kind while the stepmother was jealous of her beauty. So I would ask them, is while, does it mean that it's the same or different? And then we would, if I need help, I would even have images to show the scenes from Cinderella book and Asian book. So this is a quick assessment for them. We could use this also as an assessment and also during guided practice.